Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to strike through your data, how to subscript your data, and how to superscript your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have a very simple example. There are few columns. For example, if I want to strike through these two cells, so I will select those cells, and then from the Home tab, there is an alignment section here. If I click a small arrow here, a window will pop up. Then I'll go to the Phone tab, and then I'll click on Strike Through. It will show me preview as well. If I press OK, now my both cells, the data within the both cells has been strike through. So this is, you can quickly strike through your data. Control Z to go back. Next one is subscript. If you want to subscript your data, again within the Home tab, alignment section, go to the small arrow, and then there is a Font tab, and then superscript, second option. If you click this one, it will show you the preview. It will small the size of your text and show at the upper side of the cell. If I press OK, now you can see it has moved those texts towards the upper left side of the cells. Control Z to go back. And third option is subscript. Again, go to alignment, this arrow, click on this one, font, and then subscript. If I click this one, it will show me the preview. It will show the text at the bottom side of the cell. If I press OK, now you can see the text has moved towards the bottom side. So Control Z to go back. There are shortcut ways of doing this thing as well. If I want to strike through my data with the help of shortcut key, I will select those cells and then press Alt H F A. A same window will pop up. Go to font and then strike through, press OK. Now my all three words has been strike through. Control Z to go back. Again, for shortcut for subscript and the superscript, I will press Alt H F A. So if I want to go to font tab, superscript, and then subscript. So I can choose any option, press OK. Now it has moved the data as a subscript. So this is how you can quickly strike through subscript and the superscript your data. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.